All right. This is pretty exciting. My name's Jesse Teat, and I'm from a company called Tussock Innovation in New Zealand. Today I'd like to show what we've done at Carwoola Station with our brand called Waterwatch. Now, Waterwatch is a product that or brand of products that we have developed as water monitoring solutions for a sustainable future. We all realise that water is going to play a big part, or does play a big part in our lives, either on or off farm at the moment. And it's probably the thing that wars are going to be fought over in the future. What have we done at Carwoola Station to help manage that resource? So at Carwoola Station, there are a variety of different assets over the entire farm area. 22 of these are dams or turkey nests for storing that water that is used to feed stock. We've also looked at the tanks and troughs on the farm and a variety of other sections. Now, how have we monitored the water assets on the farm? We've used our water level sensor called the LS1. It's a wireless sensor that is a non-contact device, so it doesn't actually get put into the water, but sits above the water and monitors the water levels with high accuracy. It's a durable, waterproof device with exceptionally long battery life. What you'll see is that this device doesn't have any solar panels, no wires, it's very simple. We use this product on a variety of different technologies, both the Sigfox network, which is what was installed at Carwoola Station, but also we have a cellular product soon to be launched in January. What's great about this product is that it is able to give you notifications. So I'll take you through shortly and show you a variety of the different installs that we've done on Carwoola and how those notifications might help the management of those water assets and protect both stock and human life. So the first one that we'll look at is the dams and ponds and the turkey nests. Now, we installed 8 of our sensors on some of the dams. Now, the dams are rainwater fed, and the key to these installations is actually to try and give you some feedback about how those dams might be functioning. What happens in a rain event, how well does that fill, or whether there are any problems with the structure of the dam. The same can be used for the turkey nests. Now, the turkey nests on Carwoola Station are fed by bore water, and they're used to stock all the tanks and troughs on the farm. So they're pretty crucial to both the irrigation and the stock feed water that's available. The second installation that we did on the farm is a flood protection system. So if this farm is split in two by a river, and we believe that it's pretty crucial to human and animal life to be able to access both sides of that river, and be able to do it and know that in heavy rainfall, for example, that you're not going to be cut off from getting back to where you are accommodated or where the rest of the people are on the farm, and that stock can be moved to high grounds if need be. The 6 water tanks that we monitor on the farm, now 3 of those are very crucial to the management of the troughs and also the water that's consumed by all the employees and the people living on the farm. Since the installation, we had a 32-hour period where almost 50% of a 100,000 litre tank was drained. Now, that was entirely accidental. Someone had left a tap on. The great thing about this product is that you can set alarms for either restocking tanks or for massive change, for example, in the water that's held in those tanks. Darren told us that that was an entirely accidental scenario, and that his goal is to always maintain some kind of reserve in those tanks. So monitoring it is very helpful for him. We also look at the troughs on the farm. Now, this product is not specifically designed for troughs, but we wanted to take this opportunity to install it on the farm and to get some learnings from it. What we've learned is that it's very important to protect the products that are installed in the troughs. And this particular one is in the cattle stockyards, and we've protected it with a box section of steel. We're hoping that we'll be able to introduce a cost-effective trough monitoring solution in the short term. What I failed to mention is that we're part of an ecosystem, and that the network that we have used is provided by a company called Thinostra. That's a global technology called Sigfox. And as part of the installation, we also provided other pieces of equipment from within the ecosystem. The one that's on the screen now is Ento, and it is a New Zealand company, but it's also used for, their product is used for access monitoring, both gates and doors. So that's installed across the farm. Another one from South Africa is Digital Matters Oyster. That's a GPS and asset tracker. We've used it on a variety of the mobile products on the farm, so both diesel tank trailers and quad bikes and vehicles. And the final one that I'd like to mention is an Australian product by agri-tech. They are have a variety of products on the farm, from soil moisture through to rain gauges and weather stations. Now, it's very important, they've mentioned to us, it's very important when you're installing this type of product to know exactly where you're going to install it on the farm. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll pass over to